Okay, so you guys all just watched the video on how to figure the amount of mulch for a landscape by the cubic yard. And so I just kind of stole that video off the internet there. We're going to use that same calculation to figure out how much concrete you would need, because that's kind of what we've been talking about is concrete. And when you order concrete, you order it by the cubic yard. So when you call the store, they'll want to know how many cubic yards you need. So the assignment for today is that you're going to go out to your driveway and measure off your driveway. And if you don't have a driveway, you can do another area that you'd like to have a driveway or whatever. Come up with the size, the dimensions, and then you're going to figure out how much concrete you would order, and then a rough estimate of what you think it would cost to do that. And so I'll walk you through that here with an example I'll show you. All right, well, here's my super low-tech marker board here. And you can see that I have a chunk of concrete that I want to pour. Okay, and I have 12 inches wide, or 12 feet wide. It's 14 feet long, and it's going to be 4 inches thick. Okay, so just like the video described, the first step, we're going to take 12 times 14, we get 168 square feet. So that's the length times the width is 168. And then the next step, we take that 168 and we times it by the thickness of the concrete. Okay, but you'll notice that's in feet. So 0.33 feet is 4 inches thick. Okay, so if we were going to pour it 6 inches thick, then we'd have 0.5 feet. If we were going to pour it 3 inches thick, we'd have 0.25 feet. Okay, so 4 inches is 0.33 of a foot. So our square feet times 0.33 gives us 55.44 cubic feet of concrete. Then we take our cubic feet, divide it by 27, because there's 20 cubic feet in a yard. So divided by 27, we get 2.05 cubic yards. Okay? Now to estimate it, to make our lives easy, you can about estimate $200 per cubic yard of concrete. The concrete itself costs about $100, and the rebar and the forms, that costs about another $100. So when we estimate your project, you'll take your cubic yards times $200. Okay? So my project would be about $400. So don't get overwhelmed by this, just follow the steps. Width times length. Okay? That answer times the thickness of your concrete. So we'll do 4 inches thick, so you can do 0.33. So it'll be your number times 0.33, gives you a number. That number divided by 27 is your answer. Okay? Take that number times 200, that's your estimation.
I say it's a good time.